When you ask for these three things, your life will become so peaceful. Number one, God's epic guidance. You have to say these words that, dear God, bless me with your epic guidance. Because you have to understand that we as human beings can act out of fear, self doubt, or our traumas of being growing up around parents, siblings who were not very nice. So then we can become very hateful towards other human and we can act out of hurt. If as a human being you were surrounded by bad father, bad male figures, now you subconsciously hate men. If you were surrounded by bad mothers, bad female figures who were always jealous of each other, always creating chaos, always drama or violence in the home, or hatred, silent hatred going on in the home towards each other, like people are living under the same roof but still hating each other silently, then we can act through all these traumas and we can create more division in this world. We can create more disconnection and more pain, more hurt in this world. So you have to say these words that, dear God, guide me, bless me with your epic guidance. You know, I ask for guidance for my lineage, like everyone in my lineage, like every man, woman, child be guided by God's guidance. Cause like in my lineage, people have lot of self-destructive habits, with alcohol, with food, they will numb and like the way they deal with emotion, it's very unhealthy. Okay. So I'm like, God, bless my lineage with your epic guidance and your epic support. With God guidance, we will be able to take bigger risks in life. We will be able to go after our dreams instead of fears or believing in self-doubt. Okay, this was number one. Number two was, dear God, I really want to enjoy the blessings that you have blessed me with. A lot of times we can get distracted with fears, anxieties, and worries and not be able to enjoy the blessings that we are blessed with in the present moment. There's so much enjoyment and joy. Wow. So you have to like say down, God, I want to enjoy the blessings that you have blessed me with. Okay. And number three, sometimes we can lack trust in ourselves. And in those times, you have to say, dear God, lead me, lead my mind, my body, my heart towards the highest good. And then God will move your body. God will move your body towards your dreams, desires, and